こんにちは. Welcome back to our Japanese language learning series with animation. In today's lesson, we'll be introducing 5 more essential words that will help you in your Japanese language journey. Let's begin. Our first word for today is おやすみなさい. おやすみなさい. It means good night. It is typically used when parting with someone late in the evening or before going to sleep. おやすみなさい. おやすみなさい。しっかり休んで明日に備えましょう。The second word is 学生. 学生, which means student. This word is used to describe someone who is studying at a school or university. 学生. 私は学生です。Our third word is 先生. 先生. It means teacher. It's a respectful term that is widely used in Japanese culture. 先生. 先生教えてください。The fourth word is 本. 本. It means book. 本. この本は面白いです。The last word for today is 辞書. 辞書. It means dictionary. Repeat after me. 辞書. 辞書を使って単語を調べます。Great job! You've learned 5 new words today. Now let's review what we have learned today. おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。学生。学生。先生。先生。本。本。辞書。辞書。That's all for today's lesson. Practice incorporating them into your conversations and study sessions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep up the excellent work as you expand your Japanese vocabulary.